Are you looking for the best dash cams? In this video we will look at some of the best dash cams on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. ROVE R2 4K Dual Dash Cam. The ROVE R2 4K Dual Dash Cam front and rear is designed for drivers who want every journey to feel secure and every memory to be captured with clarity. When you are on the road, unexpected moments can happen in seconds, and having a reliable system gives you the confidence that nothing important will go unseen. This camera set brings a sense of comfort, turning daily drives or long trips into experiences where you feel fully protected. With ultra-clear 4K 2160 pixel resolution supported by advanced Starvis 2 sensor, the recordings look vivid and sharp, showing details that normal eyes might miss. The included 128GB card offers peace of mind from the first use, giving you enough space to store countless drives without worry. The fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection allows quick access through the app, making download smoother and easier, so you can review important footage instantly without waiting. For drivers who leave their car unattended, the 24-hour parking mode becomes a silent guard, watching over your vehicle even when you are away. Every trip feels safer knowing that both the front and rear views are covered, offering protection from different angles. The wide screen with intuitive display adds to the experience, making it simple to check recordings whenever needed. Choosing the ROVE R2 4K Dual Dash Cam is more than adding a device to your car, it is about creating peace of mind, knowing that every mile and every moment is recorded with trust and reliability. Number 2. REDTIGER F7N Dash Cam. The REDTIGER F7N Dash Cam front and rear brings drivers a sense of confidence every time they sit behind the wheel. When you head out on the road, there is always uncertainty about what might happen ahead or behind. This camera is designed to remove that worry by capturing every detail of your journey, so you feel safer knowing that nothing is left unseen. With ultra-clear 4K and 2.5K full high-definition recording, each scene is displayed with vivid precision, allowing you to revisit moments with lifelike clarity. The included 32GB card offers immediate storage so you can begin protecting your travels right away without additional cost. For long drives or daily commutes, this brings comfort, knowing your memories and important evidence are preserved. The built-in Wi-Fi and global positioning system make your experience seamless, letting you connect quickly, check routes, and access recordings without effort. The wide 170-degree angle reduces blind spots, giving you the reassurance that both front and rear activity are always under watch. During the night, its vision remains sharp, ensuring that low light conditions do not take away your sense of safety. The wide dynamic range balances lighting, so whether it is bright daylight or shadowy streets, your view stays consistent. With 24-hour parking mode, your vehicle remains guarded even when you step away, acting as a silent protector when you cannot be near. Choosing the REDTIGER F7N Dash Cam means choosing peace of mind on every drive, knowing that your car and your memories are always secure. Number 3. TERUNSOUl D016 Dash Cam. The TERUNSOUl D016 4K plus 4K Dash Cam front and rear is built for drivers who want their journeys to feel safe and unforgettable. Every time you take the wheel, there is always a thought in the back of your mind about unexpected events. This camera set gives you the comfort of knowing that no moment on the road will go unrecorded, creating confidence each time you drive. Its dual ultra-clear 4K resolution captures every detail from both directions, making your recordings look vivid and sharp. The included 128GB card provides immediate storage so you can start recording from the very first day without extra expense. With support for up to 512GB, long drives and countless hours of footage remain safe, allowing you to revisit any moment when needed. The fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi makes transferring files and checking videos through the app smooth and effortless, while the built-in global positioning system adds awareness of your routes, giving you extra reliability in case you ever need proof of your journey. The wide 170-degree angle ensures fewer blind spots, so both front and rear activities remain in view, bringing peace of mind even in heavy traffic. During nighttime or when parked, the 24-hour monitoring and sensitive G sensor work as silent guards, protecting your vehicle when you are not around. Choosing the TERUNSOUl D016 4K plus 4K Dash Cam means investing in security, reliability, and the reassurance that your car and memories are always protected. Number 4. Jzones Dash Cam. The Jzones Dash Cam front and rear 3-channel edition is designed for drivers who want peace of mind every time they are on the road. Driving often comes with uncertainty, and even familiar routes can hold unexpected surprises. This system brings reassurance by capturing every moment, so you feel confident knowing your vehicle and loved ones are protected in all situations. With ultra-clear 4K resolution for the front and full high-definition 1080 pixel for both rear cameras, every journey is recorded with vivid detail. The advanced Starvis 2 sensor ensures clarity in different lighting conditions, making night drives safer and allowing you to clearly see what occurs even in low light. The included 64GB card gives immediate storage for your recordings, making it easy to start protecting your car without extra preparation. The built-in global positioning system adds awareness to your travels, letting you track routes accurately while providing important information when needed. The wide coverage of all 3 channels captures more of the surroundings, reducing blind spots and giving confidence that nothing goes unnoticed. 24-hour parking mode provides constant vigilance when your car is unattended, acting as a silent guardian during your absence. The high dynamic range balances lighting, making scenes clear whether in bright sunlight or shaded streets. Choosing the Jzones Dash Cam front and rear 3-channel system brings reliability and reassurance, transforming every drive into a safer experience where your car and memories are always watched over with trust. Number 5. REDTIGER F7N Dash Cam. The REDTIGER F7N Touch 4K Dash Cam front and rear is designed for drivers who want every trip to feel secure and memorable. Driving often brings unexpected moments, and the worry about what might happen on the road can be constant. This system gives reassurance, letting you focus on the journey while knowing that every detail is being captured with precision and care. With ultra-clear 4K resolution and advanced Starvis 2 sensor, every scene is recorded with vivid clarity, whether it is day or night. The included 128GB card provides immediate storage for your trips, so you can start recording from the very first drive without any additional preparation. The 3.18-inch touchscreen makes it simple to interact with the system, giving a sense of control that adds confidence to your driving experience. Voice control allows you to operate the dash camera without distraction, making it feel intuitive and safe while on the move. Fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi ensures seamless connection to your device, while the built-in global positioning system tracks your routes accurately. Night vision makes darkness less intimidating, and the emergency lock feature gives extra security when unexpected events occur. With continuous parking mode, your car remains protected even when you step away, creating peace of mind around the clock. Choosing the REDTIGER F7N Touch 4K Dash Cam front and rear brings confidence, safety, and reliability, turning every journey into a secure experience where both your vehicle and memories are watched over carefully.